This is a quick tutorial on how to create just a basic text based banner up here in this portion. So I am logged in my website and I'm going to go up here to a new module and click on new. And I'm going to select custom. And I'm just going to create, we're going to create a title for this. We'll just call this test text. And this is a text banner. And I'm going to go ahead and make this a heading 1, make it a little bit bigger, and I'm going to assign it to the banner position. And over here on menu assignment, I'm only going to want it on certain pages, so let's put only on the pages selected, and I'm going to go ahead and deselect everything and just go through here and let's see, where shall I put this? Maybe under partner network. So I'm going to go through here and see if I can find the partner networks. It's a lot of menus. Partnerships. There we are. I'm going to go ahead and select all these. So this will actually just change out the banner for everything under partnerships. I am going to go and take off the picture-based banner here in just a moment from another module. Quite a few of these. There we go. And I'm going to flip back over here and make sure this is published. And it is. And I'm going to click on Save. And Save and Close because I really need to. I'm going to hide my title. I'm going to save and close this. And I'm going to go to the other one. Let's see if we can locate the banner for, there we are. So I'm just going to unpublish this one. And let's go take a look at what we have here. And here this is a text banner. If we wanted to change the position of this and have just the same thing with a little bit of a ribbon background to it, we can actually change this to a different position called unit. And watch what that does. And that gives it a little bit of different type of shading that's automatically added to it under our style sheets. Okay, thank you.